My dear brothers and sisters, what a beautiful line. For where two or three are gathered in my name, there I am among them. Let us feel the presence of God as we have gathered here in His name. And see what are the conflicts that we are facing in our personal lives and how are we trying to resolve them. Have we taken the presence of God in our conflicts? Saint Matthew wrote his gospel for mostly the Jews. They were his audience. And whenever he wrote his gospel, he took a lot of things from the Old Testament. For the people of Israel, the Jews, they all the time remembered Torah, their patriarchs. And for them, Moses, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, they believed more in them. But Matthew presents to them Jesus as the new Moses, Jesus as the fulfillment of the Old Testament. In today's gospel, we see how the conflicts are resolved. He has taken it from Torah. Some influence of Torah is there. And he has put it in the words of Jesus. Very beautiful. That's why it is called chapter 18, the community or church discourse, where even the little ones are protected. We have to make sure the innocent and the little ones are not led astray. As I said in the beginning, conflicts are there when we live together. But how do we resolve the conflicts? And I said in the beginning, more than concentrating on conflicts, we must concentrate on making peace. But often our ego comes in. We live as if we are going to stay here forever. I will not live in a single inch of land. I will make sure that I will destroy him. Why should I talk first? Let him say sorry to me first. How often do we say, I am sorry. It is my mistake. I did not see it that way. How often have we made an effort to go out of our comfort zones to resolve conflicts? St. Paul says, as Christians, they will know we are Christians by our love. Are we as Christians giving a good example to our neighbors who may be Hindus or Muslims? Is there any difference between them and us?